In this video, we are going to create our project and set up our server, our node server. I have created a folder with name Nodejs, an empty folder, and to open your VS Code in that folder, you need to right click on it and then open with code. Click on open with code. I have already opened it. So it looks like this now. After that, click on terminal and select the new terminal and type npm in it and press enter. A package name with Node.js, press enter. The entry point will be the index.js, press enter. As you can see, it has created a file with name package.json. So the entry point by default it mentioned that index.js, and now it is empty kind of, it has no information. But when we install other packages that is required to create our project, it is stored in our package.json file. So when someone get our code and run the npm install, it's go to the package.json file, look for the dependency and install all the dependency regarding the project. So let me create an example. So npm install express. So it is a framework, a Node.js framework that help us to build website easily. So npm install express, press enter. As you can see, our package.json file updated, and in that dependency section the express.js is mentioned and its version. So all the dependency store in our package.json file. Now let's create a folder backend, and in that backend folder create a index.js file. Index.js. So I am getting an error. Let me close the VS Code and run it again. So right click on it, new file, index.js, press enter. Let's import our express. So cons express require express, and then we need to mention our express app. We also need to define our port will be 5000. App.listen to the port console log our server running on port and define the port, and let's change it to the backtick. So we are console log that our server is running on port, and we mention the port. We also need to install another package, so npm install nodemon, press enter. As you can see that our dependency is also updated, nodemon. So it is a package that restart automatically whenever the change is happen. So go to the package.json and in script we need to mention our start script. So it will be node index.js and also our dev. So whenever we run our npm start or npm run dev, we need to tell that go to the index.js file, search for index.js file. After that, in our index.js, it is port, save the file and run the npm get into our backend folder, and now run our npm start, press enter. And we are getting an error. So we have getting an error. So in our package.json, it will be a backend slash index.js and also the backend slash index.js. Save the file and now run our command npm start. And you can see that our server is successful running on port 5000. So we successfully run our server. In the next video, I will see you in the next video.